issues. Desire what you can do. Do what you desire. And never compromise on that. Find your true vocation in life, which reflects your passions, which reflects your dreams, which reflects your likes, which reflects your strengths. Each and every job in the world is not for you. You'll have to identify what it is that I really want to do in life. What brings me happiness? In which scheme of things I am fitting most appropriately? This analysis is very important. Next, decide your career. Which way? I would say if you decide your career in class 9, the earlier the better. Because when you know where you want to go, you put in your abilities in that proper direction. अगर आपको 12वीं तक नहीं पता आपको क्या करना है तो आप किस तरह करेंगे मैनेज? जेकॾहिं माण्हू खे 9वीं जमात में ख़बर आहे त मूंखे डॉक्टर थियणो आहे त उहो मैथमेटिक्स ते महिनत छो करे? You should work more on biology. So an early career decision is very important because it will enable you to put in all your effort into one single direction. Then explore your career options, prepare job search materials as we spoke about. In job search materials, what is the first thing you should have? Your visiting card, your CV, your photographs, your attested sets of documents, your organized leaf files, badges, bags, a good dress, a tie, a shirt, a trouser, a good pair of shoes, a willingness, some research work, you should have known the companies. All these things. जेकॾहिं इहे न कंदव कॾहिं बि कामयाब न थींदव लाइफ. You should have. चए फोटो कोन्हनि, अरे फोटो छो कोन्हनि? 50 कापियूं कराए रखो. What's so big deal? Next, you should network. Try to know people. For example, अक्सर करे मिस्टर वज़ीर सॼे ठटे मां कंहिं बि मूंखां मुंहिंजी एड्रेस न घुरी आहे. तव्हांजे सेंटर जे कंहिं हिकु ॿार बि सिर्फ़ु आमना अॼु मूंखां कार्ड वरितो. You know the reason. I told you. Yes.
I asked from Mr. Wazir. I was asking you.
Yeah, thank you. This is the right way. Because suppose you want to ask me something tomorrow, you want to come in touch with me after 2 weeks. Maybe you are taking up CSS exam and you need my consultation and you need to ask me a few things. Networking is very important. दुनिया में 80 सैकड़ों jobs referrals ते ॾिना वेंदा आहिनि. Referrals. कंहिं रेफर कयो आहे तव्हांखे? Sir Ghulam Ali Khan, please Acho. I have a name in the education industry. If somebody goes through my reference, it means he is the right person. Because the companies, organizations, schools, colleges, certain times what happens? All of a sudden I get a phone call. Hello, this is Livrda. This is Satwat speaking from Foundation School. Hello ma'am Satwat, how are you? Are you okay? Yeah, things are pretty alright. We are looking for some teachers. It should be a young lady or a male having just done masters in English. And could you recommend anybody? I said, when is the interview? No, not the interview. Recommend a person, we appoint him. मूंखे अहिड़ा फोन ईंदा आहिनि. हाणे मूं वटि जंहिंजो नालो हूंदो आहे, जंहिंजी CV हूंदी आहे, जंहिंजो कार्ड हूंदो आहे, मां उनखे रेकमेंड कंदुमि. असां वरी हिक ॿिए सां मिलाईंदासीं. तव्हां फॉर एग्जाम्पल डिप्टी कमिश्नर कम्स हियर, तव्हांखे वज़ीर साहब चवंदो ही DC डिप्टी कमिश्नर आहे ठटे, तव्हां वरी कंदुसि हे वरी हलिया वियो घर. अरे तव्हां DC सां जो मिलियव, उनजो पंहिंजो नालो ॿुधायो आहे, तव्हां ॿुधायो त तव्हां छा कंदा आहियो, वॉट यू कैन डू फॉर डिस्ट्रिक्ट ठटा. उनखां का कार्ड वठो, को पंहिंजो कार्ड ॾियो, वरी हफ़्ते खां पोइ थोरो मिलण वञोसि. Are you getting my point? ही जेको इंसानी जेको समाजी नेटवर्क आहे न, इहो ॾाढो कराए थो जॉब वटि. तमामु वेरी इफेक्टिव. डेवलप अ फाइल, अ प्रॉपर फोल्डर जंहिंमें कॉन्टेक्ट्स जा नंबर रखंदा वञो, नाला रखंदा वञो, उन्हनि ऑफिसर सां रेगुलर बेसिस ते मिलो, ईद कार्ड मोकिलियो, वरी हू ईद कार्ड मोकिलींदा, वरी नए साल जो कार्ड मोकिलियो, वरी हू मोकिलींदा, वरी ईअं कॾहिं मिलण वञनि, साईं आयो आहियां, जस्ट केम टू सी यू, हाउ आर यू सर, हाउ थिंग्स आर डूइंग, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन टच। पंहिंजे टीचर्स सां, पंहिंजे प्रिंसिपल सां, कॉलेज स्टाफ सां, दोस्तनि सां, माइटनि में को माण्हू वॾो ऑफिसर आहे, ट्राई टू गेट इन टच विथ हिम, स्टे इन टच विथ हिम, गिव हिम योर कार्ड, सी विथ हिम, गो टू हिम ऑन ईमेल, मिलण वञो, क्रिएट चांसिस एंड अपॉर्चुनिटीज। उन सां प्रॉपर नेटवर्किंग, नेटवर्किंग तमामु वॾी ॻाल्हि आहे। तव्हां हुनजे दिलि में हूंदव, तव्हां हुनजे ज़हन में हूंदव, तव्हां हुनजे दिलि, हुनजी यादगिरी में हूंदव। जीअं ई का ज़िंदगी में अपॉर्चुनिटी निकिरंदी, तव्हांखे घुराईंदो। हीउ जेको असांजो एटीट्यूड आहे न, त उहो मामो भले प्रिंसिपल आहे, मां वरी कहिड़ो घटि आहियां, हालांकि सॼो महीनो ओधर ते थो हले, पर मां कहिड़ो घटि आहियां। बाबा ॻाल्हि घटि वधि जी न आहे, प्रॉपर एटीट्यूड जी आहे। Are you getting it? Then document access details, try to keep their numbers with you, their addresses with you, their phone numbers with you, their emails with you, ऐं उनजो proper document ठाहियो। जहिड़ो हूंदो अथनि, सम्झो था न, जंहिंमें वरी हरू भरू सॼी सभिनी अदाकारनि जा फोटो पिया हूंदा। And discover potential employers in your area, develop cutting खां वठी उन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जा समूरा तफ़सील हिकिड़ो प्रॉपर फाइल ठाहियो। ही फाइल आहे जंहिंसां मां जॉब खे ॻोल्हियां थो। Any cutting, any clip, any information, any number, any name, go on putting it into that particular file. You don't have to look for it. This is what you can do. Next is, sometimes nowadays there are online interviews through webcam, or there are telephonic interviews. Bhaktawar Bhutto interviewed me on the telephone. I got a call from Dubai, Zabis campus, and Lorena Pedrosa was the lady who was talking to me. She was Filipinese. So she said, am I talking to Mr. Ghulam Ali Burido? I said, yes, you're talking. You're right, you're on the line. I'm there. And she said, Mr. Bhaktawar Bhutto Zardari wants to talk to you. I said, I'm in a class right now. I truly appreciate it. It will be such a singular honor to talk to her. But I'd appreciate if you give me a time of my choice. Oh, yes, yes, why not? I said, okay, please call me at 5:15 Pakistan time. Would it be fine? She said, 1 minute, hold on, let me ask. She asked her. And then an interview was. Why did I say 5:15? Because I needed to note down some things. I needed to note down my email, my credentials, my strong points, what are my achievements in life, what I can do. So when you are asked for a telephone interview, don't say, ha ha, yes, yes. हाणे बीठा आहियो भरिसां ट्रैक्टर पे वञे वो सवाल हुन वारो ॿुधियो। टेलीफोनिक इंटरव्यू जे लाइ प्रॉपर टाइम, प्रॉपर प्लेस, ट्राई टू गो इन टू एन एयर कंडीशन रूम, भले वो दोस्त जो घर हुजे उनखे 2 मिंट रिक्वेस्ट कयो, which is as much sound proof as possible. Proper notes वठो पंहिंजे बारे में, what are my qualifications, what are my certifications, what are my strengths, what are my expertise. That paper should be in front of you, and then you should say hello and write down 2-3 sentences which you should say as an introduction to impress the other person. You should say, hello, this is what a big honor. I never believe I could be talking to you. I could dream of doing it, but I really never thought I would ever come on a live wire with you. I am feeling very excited. And then the other person will talk, and then you go on talking about yourself. ईअं ही माना सॼी ज़िंदगी ईअं न आहे त बीठा आहियो तव्हां ॿाहिरि अलाए कहिड़े चौक ते, उतां पिया टेलीफोन जो इंटरव्यू ॾियो। असीं रिकॉर्डिंग पिया कयूं, तव्हां जेके अॼु इंटरव्यू ॾिठा, दरवाज़ो हुन खां टेक्नीशियन खे चयुमि, आई आस्क्ड हिम टू क्लोज द डोर, हुन दरवाज़ो बंदि न कयो। मूं आफ्ताब साहब खे चयो, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पीपल यू अपॉइंट, त ॿाहिरां हुन कयो हे साईं जवाब हो मुंहिंजे सुवाल जो। So select a proper place. Are you getting it? Next sir. Now please note, this is very important. Some people believe that the difference between those who find jobs and those who do not is simply luck. Those who find jobs are successful because they know how to conduct an effective job search. It's not by luck. I tell you honestly, it is only the difference of performance, of achievements, of proper techniques, of proper effort. Maybe somebody else is more prepared, more organized, more attentive, more serious, more committed, more given, more devoted. This is why he may be getting a job, or she may be getting. And the only difference you have is you are in sleep, you are passive, you are inactive, you don't network, you don't meet people, you don't get in touch with people, you are not ready, you don't have the documents, you don't have the right person, you don't have the folders, you are not prepared, and this is why you are bad luck. You are unlucky. Unlucky. ये भी luck न करो.